Hi, I'm Ben from Maybe Autism is My Superpower.
Hey Ben, we're going to answer a question today. You know what it's about?
Memory.
Yeah, it's about memory. It's from Elisa Ward, and she says, is there any way that Ben remembers things? My 5-year-old son scans things with his forehead. He runs it from his nose in an upward direction and says he's scanning it to remember it. What do you think that looks like? Maybe like that, yeah, and that's how he's remembering it. And yeah, you do something kind of really cool with your what?
Memory.
Yeah, what do you
Finger.
You use your finger a lot for your memory. You use it with your keyboard, with music. How do you move your finger? Yeah, and sometimes you use it, right, in the air like that when you're doing things with math or trying to remember facts. How do you put what you do with your finger in the air? Yeah, you do interesting things like that. And it does help you. How does it help you? What does it make you
Focus.
It helps you focus and memorize. I've noticed that a lot. What are some things that you're interested in memorizing? What are you good at memorizing?
Real estate.
You do like to memorize real estate. You know all the signs everywhere, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's your new thing that you love to memorize. You're also good at memorizing about health facts, right? And sometimes for you to memorize things, what do you have to do also?
Here.
Yeah, you listen to things over and over again too. But using your finger, show again how you use your finger. Yeah, kind of helps you to focus. Yeah, and maybe you're sort of scanning also in your mind. So the question is, what do you do to help you focus? And you do use your finger a lot. I mean, to memorize things, to remember things. And I see you use your finger when you were little and even now when you're older. So that's something that has stayed with you for a while. You use that to help you remember. What do you think Mommy does to help her remember things?
Read it over and over again.
Yes, I have to read and I have to write a lot to remember things. And I think everybody has a different way to memorize things. I also think kids with autism have very interesting ways to memorize. What do you think about the brains of children with autism? What do you think they are?
Super.
They're super. Yeah, they are super special. And we're getting a lot of videos about what?
Memory.
Yeah, kids memorizing tons of things. What have we seen them memorize?
Math and language.
Yeah, math, language, maps, all sorts of things, history, facts. And so it's such an interesting topic because I think that maybe children with autism are using some of their body or movement to help them memorize things. Maybe they memorize a little differently and in a special, unique way. Do you think so?
Yeah.
So what can parents look for with their children that might help them understand?
Body movement.
Good. Body movement. Yeah. Maybe parents can watch and observe and see if their child's moving their body or their fingers or their heads in a certain way as they're memorizing, because they may realize then that that's helping them to remember things. And maybe if a kid already knows that they're doing something to help memorize them, would you like to hear from them? What can they do?
Move their body.
Yeah, and to let you know, maybe they could send you what?
A video.
That would be great. A video or a comment in the comment below. If you're a child with autism or a parent of one of these awesome kids, superpower kids, and you want to share with us their unique way of memorizing, we would love to hear about it. Right, Ben? Okay, awesome. Thanks for sharing.
Hopefully you enjoy. Goodbye. And don't forget, autism is a superpower.
Sure is. Super.
Memory.
Yeah.